Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a Halloween haul. I've got a bunch of outdoor decor, as you can see over here, and then I've also got some party decorations. So if you guys want to see what I got, then please keep watching. Alright guys, before we begin, I did want to share with you guys my shirt. This isn't sponsored or anything, but I absolutely love this shirt. I did get it last year from Etsy. It was like 15 bucks with a coupon. I'm not sure if they'll have a coupon now, but regardless, I will link it down below. People always ask me where I got it. It's so cute. I am an absolute #1 horror movie fan. If you know me, you know I love scary movies. That's all I ever want to watch, even when it's not Halloween. So love this. I will link it down below. So before we start, I guess I'll let you guys know where I shopped. So I got a bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree, I got some stuff from Amazon, some stuff from Michael's, some stuff from Walmart, a bunch of big outdoor decor from Joannes. I went to Home Depot, and then I got one thing from Kohl's. So let's get started. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with Walmart. I did actually just stop by there this morning. I saw that they did have her costume in stock. I could not find this anywhere. It was sold out. I was thinking she was going to have to be something else, but she is going to be the miraculous ladybug this year. If you guys know this cartoon, she's absolutely obsessed. It's so cute, stretchy. It's like a little, ladybug leotard. Really cute. She's going to be so happy that I found this. And then this year from Walmart, I did see these really pretty banner lights. They do take 3 AA batteries, so I can put this out in my front yard without having to worry about plugging it in. So it just says boo, and there's little ghosts on it. And it was 10 bucks, really good deal. They also had ones that said Happy Halloween, but it was really, really large. I think this one will be perfect, so I got that. Now I did get these napkins and these plates. They were only 98 cents, which is even a better deal from Walmart, and they had really cute designs. So I got some large napkins that say spooky, and then some beverage napkins that say Ghouls Night. I thought that was really cute with the ghost for the sunglasses. And then to go along with that, I got some boo plates and some eek plates. So we've got like a little side plate and a little large plate. I am going to be doing a Halloween party ideas, which is going to be super fun. We're going to have a Halloween party for my daughter and her friends, so I'm super excited about that. So stay tuned for that video. And then lastly from Walmart, which was 98 cents also, are these little spider silhouettes. As you can see here, I did get some of these last year and I put them on my door. I think I'm going to set them up here with some bats, which I'll show you in a minute. But I did get these are really cute, and I can throw them away if they break or they tear. It's only $1. All right, so far I only have 2 things from Michael's. I am waiting on an order, so I will insert that footage into this part of the video once I get it. It's not gonna be here for a couple days, but I did wanna get this filmed for you guys because I am gonna start decorating tomorrow, so I need to film that video as well. So I will insert what else I got once it arrives. I did get some more things from Party City as well, so I will insert that. But I got these really cute cutleries, so spoon, knife, and fork from Michael's. As you can kind of see, it's like a little hand and then like bones. Really cute. This has got like a skull face. Really, really love these. So it was $6.99, and then I got like 30% off, or maybe it was even 40. I don't know, but regardless, I will link it down below. But I got those for the party. And I also got some Halloween tissue paper. I am going to line like my baking sheets with this and then put the goodies on top, like the Halloween treats on top, just to make it look more festive. So I got those. And these were $3.99 each. All right guys, I am back. My stuff from Michael's and Party City finally came in, so I did want to show you really quick what I got. So first off, I got these little felt Halloween spiderweb placemats. These were, I think, $1 something each. I got them at 40% off, so I got 4 of those for my party display. I'm gonna put the food on top, so it's got a nice little decorative, touch to it. Next, I got these bat paper straws. If it's gonna focus here. These were $6.99. I got them 40% off, but they're really cute. Next, I got this balloon bouquet. You do blow these up yourself. They were $7.99, 40% off. Love that. It's gonna go on my backdrop with my paper fans. Then I got these boo balloons. You blow them up yourself, string them on the strand, and that's it. I think this was like $2 something, $3. Next I got these little glittery cutouts. One is a cat, a spider web, and a jack-o'-lantern. I believe this was like $1.50. Next, I got this Boo kind of banner here. It's like a garland. I'm not going to use the Boo letters here. I'm going to be using the balloon letters, but this was really cute. I more got it for the little tassel garland here, and that was $6.99 with 40% off. Now, I did get more stuff from Party City, but it still has not come in. It is food related, so you guys will see it in my Halloween treats video. But I did get these little pumpkins from Party City. I thought they were going to be much bigger. I think they were like 2 something, I forget. I will link everything down below though. And then lastly, I got these little mini cauldrons from Party City. I'm going to be putting candy and stuff in here. So yeah, that's it, guys. Next up is Amazon. So I did get a few things from them. I love Amazon, but a lot of their stuff you can find in store for a better price. I did find this 30-inch skeleton here. He's bendable. Really cute, opens his mouth. You can see he's pretty big. I am gonna be using him on a charcuterie board, so that's gonna be one of my Halloween DIY treats. So I'm gonna be putting like meat and cheese in here. It's gonna be really, really cute. Really love that, and this was 15 bucks. I've seen like comparable ones at JoAnn's and Michael's for like 20, so I thought it was a good deal. And then also for my Halloween party, I got some ghost pumpkin and bat picks. You can kind of see them in there. I don't want to open it because it's nice and packed in there, but you guys will see it in my Halloween treats video. These were really cute. I forgot how much, but I will link everything down below. Also for the party, I got some paper fans. So this set did come with some black and then some orange fans. So this, I plan on decorating this whole thing behind me. I'm gonna take all of this off. It's gonna be so cool. I got so much, and everyone I know on YouTube does this. They do the bats, and I love it too. It's so cute. I got a big, large pack. I forgot how many. It says 60 pieces, so there's like assorted sizes. Comes with like some adhesive tape. I'm gonna be putting this behind me, and then I'll put some of these outside on my front door as well. All right, let's start with like the party pieces, and then we'll start doing the decor. So I did get 2 more of these skeleton hand like tongs or salad tossers. They call them tongs, but these were only $1. I got 2 of them. These are perfect for a party or a DIY. Love that. And I thought this was cute. They didn't have a smaller plate that matched this, so I only got 1, but it's a good thing I found those from Walmart, so we have 2 options. But I got these Creep It Real plates. I thought they were really cute. Again, Dollar Tree has good stuff if you can find the good prints. The other stuff was a little too kiddie for me. I kind of like it more spooky. So I got those. And then I got 2 sets of cups. These ones have a pumpkin and they say boo. These ones say Happy Halloween and they're orange. So I got 8 cups, really good size, love that. Next I got these, I got 2 little skeleton garlands. I see these every year and I really like them, so I got them again. They are pretty flimsy and they can break easily, but they'll serve the purpose for the party. Here's what they look like. Just little skeletons on a string, cute little garland. Then I got this decorative shred. I did get some of this last year from Walmart that's orange and black, but I wanted to get some candy corn colored one. I'll put this on my table or to fill in any vases or any gaps, so this is always good to have. And I got these 2 little buckets or pails from Dollar Tree as well, with little jack-o'-lantern face. These are really cute, really good size, and I plan on putting like utensils or napkins or cups or whatever in here just to make it easier and make it festive. Then I got 4 packages of the creepy cloth. Now this is an excellent, excellent deal. When I was at Walmart this morning, I saw them and they were $3 and they were like the exact same length. These were only $1 and I got 4 of them. I might go back for more, we'll see. This is more for inside. I don't think I'm gonna use it outside. I didn't use it last year, but we'll see. I can always go back, and for $1, it doesn't break the bank. All right, I've got 4 more little decorative pieces. Now I see these every year and I didn't get them last year, so I decided to get them this year. They're like these little jack-o'-lantern like ghouls and their arms open. Really good size. So I got 2 of those. These will go outside somewhere. And then lastly from Dollar Tree are these little plastic skull heads. These are always good to have. I'll probably use these as decoration on the buffet table back here for the party. So love that. All right, so next up, I guess we'll do JoAnn's. I will show you the big stuff that I've got left. This is all outdoor decor. Now, I went back and forth with myself in my head. Should I get this skull? Should I not? It was pretty pricey. Joann's did have a 30% off coupon, which still made it expensive for what it is. But then they offered a 25% off if you pick up in store. So I had 25% off plus 30, so it made it a good deal. And I was like, yes, we're getting it. So it's this giant skull. It is so big and creepy, and I love it. It was $79 full price. I would never pay that full price. Never. I think I got it for like $29, I wanna say. It was like 30 bucks. That I could do, that I felt like it was worth it. It is plastic, and it's not too heavy. So hopefully I don't have to weigh it down somehow, but I thought this was so cool. I'm gonna flank it on one side of my door with my other stackable pumpkins that I got last year. So I thought that would look so cool. Now for this one, I'm gonna have to stand up. Now again, JoAnn's door signs are pretty pricey. I think this was $49.99 full price. 50 bucks is so expensive, but I did end up getting it for like 20. So I thought it was worth it, and it's really good quality. But it is a sign that says trick or treat. Super large, as you can see. It comes up to here on me. So I love this so much. I was looking for a porch sign at every place that sold Halloween stuff. I just wasn't really a fan, but this one, loved it. Oh, I did get one indoor decor piece from Joann's. I think it was like $4. It says boo sign. Love that. Doesn't have the tag, so I don't remember exactly, but like I said, I think it was about $4 with the discount. So I will put this on my buffet table for the party decor. Love that. Now, I didn't purchase this myself. My mom did get this for me. Thanks, Mom. It is a skeleton with like a bone cane and some skulls down here. He's so cool. I'm gonna put him on my party table. And then back to Joann's. Last thing from Joann's is this giant spider. Now, I thought it was gonna be bigger. Kind of disappointed about that. His body isn't as big. It's kind of hard to see in the bag, but he does have like little like hooks here and eyes. But I'm hoping his legs are gonna be just as long because I plan on putting it in front of my front door. So I'm excited about that. I hope it works out. If it does, it's gonna look super creepy. So I am gonna be decorating tomorrow, so stay tuned for my Halloween decorate with me. I'm so excited to do that. Everyone else in my neighborhood's already started. My neighbors already have their house done, so I feel like I'm behind. So I wanted to film this for you guys so I can get started. And I will show you the one thing I did get from Kohl's. It is this beautiful boo sign. It does light up. It's hard to tell with all my lights in here, but it's really large. I might put this in my windowsill upstairs, or I might put it out front. I don't know yet, we'll see. But it is battery operated, so love that. I think I got this for like 18 bucks. It's a good deal. All right, so last few things are from Home Depot. I think I said Lowe's earlier, but I meant Home Depot. I apologize. I love Home Depot. Lowe's has cute stuff too, but I have a Home Depot card and I get a discount, so that's also why it helps. But I did get these two giant black spiders. They have nice creepy red eyes with the little horn hook things. It's pretty gross, I don't know. But I got two of these. They were $9 each. I already have a ton of spiders from last year, but you can never have too many spiders in my opinion. I won't show you all. It's like 6 bags that I got of these ginormous spider webs. These were the best deal. They were $1.99, but they're the big ones, and these are really good quality. I bought these last year, and they lasted so much better and stretched out so much better than the Dollar Tree ones. So I splurged just a little bit more and kind of paid double for each, but these are totally worth it. So I got 6 bags of webs. And then also last year I bought my LED lights from them. I got color change purple and orange lights. I believe I got 4 sets last year. They were $19 a piece. I did splurge and get 3 more because I just ran out of lights, and at least now they all match. So I got 3 sets of those. And these are color change, so you can change it from orange to purple or alternating orange and purple. And then I think they have like a flashing option. So I love that. And then last 2 things from Home Depot are my skeleton. I got another skeleton here. And then I got a skeleton cat, which is super creepy. I do have a skeleton dog, but we don't even have any dogs in my house. So I felt like a cat was more appropriate, and it's kind of annoying and creepy. See? So yeah, got that. This will definitely be annoying. My cats, anytime they hear it or see it, they like, what the heck is that? And they run away. So it scares them. It might scare other people. And then lastly, I got another skeleton from Home Depot. I got one last year from them, so this is the same exact one, which is great. They'll match. His eyes do light up red, which is nice and creepy. So I love that. He's full size. He's all folded up here because of the packaging. But he was $29.99. And for a light up one that's good quality, that's bendable, I thought this was a very, very good deal. I've seen ones in Walmart for $79 and they didn't even light up. So skeletons can be kind of pricey, but Home Depot and Lowe's seem to have the best deal. Go figure. You'd think they'd be more expensive, but love that. Now we have 2 skeletons. Oh my goodness, guys, I almost forgot the biggest thing I got from Home Depot this year. I almost completely forgot to put it in. Let me grab it. Okay, so the last thing I got from Home Depot, pregnancy brain is real, I'm so sorry, but this thing is huge. It is a 2.5-foot LED jumbo pumpkin. It's super bright. I will try to insert a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. But I'm so excited about this. I had to look everywhere for it. They didn't have it in store, but I finally found it and got it delivered. So here we are. All right, for real this time, I'm done. That's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will link everything that I can down below. With the exception of Dollar Tree, you can't really shop online with them because you have to buy in bulk. But regardless, I will link everything that I can that's still available. If you guys haven't seen my Halloween 2020 haul, I will link it down below. You guys can go check that out, in addition to my Halloween 2020 decorate with me, so you guys can see how I decorated last year compared to how I'm going to decorate this year. It's definitely going to be more spooky this year. I got more skeletons, I got more spiders. It's definitely going to be creepy, so I'm really excited. We are going to be filming that tomorrow, but you guys are going to see this haul after that video. I just want to get my Halloween decorate with me out so you guys can see it. It's already almost October. I think we have 2 days left before it's October. It's crazy. These months are just flying by. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.